vending machines have become a proven channel for scalable and consumer-friendly distribution. Yet operators face persistent challenges: unplanned downtime, ineffective inventory management, and inconsistent maintenance. These issues directly impact profitability and reliability. Fault Detection and Diagnostics, or FDD, offers a decisive solution. By combining predictive maintenance, intelligent diagnostics, and data-driven insights, FDD detects failures in advance, pinpoints root causes, and streamlines maintenance actions. With machine learning and predictive analytics, FDD extends its value by forecasting demand, automating operational decisions, and ensuring continuous uptime. The outcome is reduced downtime, smarter inventory control, and stronger profitability. Adopting FDD is not simply a technical upgrade, it is a strategic investment that secures resilience, customer satisfaction, and long-term competitiveness. To explore its potential, contact us at queries@avigna.ai.